Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to log out of your Hotmail account on Windows 10. Logging out is a really important step for keeping your email private, especially if you're on a shared computer. First, open your web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. Hotmail is now part of Outlook, so that's where you'll sign in and out. Click the sign in button, enter your email and password, and if you're already signed in, it may just take you right to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon, either your initials or your picture. Click on that. A drop-down menu appears, and right there you'll see the option to sign out. Go ahead and click it. This securely logs you out and takes you back to the sign-in page. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to clear your browser history and cache after signing out. That way, no traces of your session are left behind. And that's it. You've now learned how to log out of Hotmail on Windows 10. Super quick, super easy, and it helps protect your privacy every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides.